Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another hair video. Today is a hair update on my relaxed hair journey, and if you like this kind of content, please do hit me with a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So there are currently 3 setbacks that I am experiencing with my hair. The first one being that I had some split ends. Because I had split ends, I had to ensure that my hairdresser trims my hair, and it is very important to get a professional to trim your hair, somebody who can see your hair properly while they are cutting it, and somebody who really understands hair and knows how much of your hair they actually have to trim off. Some people think that trimming your hair is just cutting off a straight line at the bottom of the hair, and that's not how you're supposed to trim hair. You are literally supposed to section the hair and trim it, you know, row by row, and that is exactly what my hairdresser did. She is a professional. She knows exactly how to deal with hair, and she really is amazing with hair. I don't recommend it at all. I do not advise that you trim your hair yourself. So as a result, I've had to trim my hair, which has obviously shortened its length a bit. But as I always say, I will always choose healthy hair over long hair. What is the point of having very long hair if it is damaged and it has split ends? So I always advise that you choose healthy hair over length, because also if your hair is healthy, it will grow better, it will grow stronger, and you will just all around have better looking hair. The second setback that I have been experiencing lately is that I have a lot of flyaways in my hair, and I actually have a lot of breakage. My hair has been breaking. I am guessing that my hair has been breaking mainly because, number one, it is now winter, and my hair should be in a protective style because hair is more brittle and more at risk of breaking during the winter seasons in comparison to, you know, summer. So I know that it is my fault for not putting my hair in a protective style. I haven't had my hair in a protective style since the last time I relaxed my hair. I mean, that was a while ago. And my hair, like, I've literally just had it the way that I have it right now. I've just been tying it and combing it out, which I don't think is a good thing to do for too long. I always advise that we put our hair in protective styles, and I just sort of hadn't gotten around to get my hair in a protective style, and now I'm actually suffering the consequences of that because I'm experiencing a lot of breakage, and lately my hair has been more on the dry side. I also haven't been moisturizing my hair enough, which is very bad because hair needs moisture in order for it to be supple, in order for it to you know, to stretch, to be able to be sort of elastic, and in order for it not to snap every time you touch it and every time you comb it. So that is definitely a wrong on my part. I have not been moisturizing my hair enough, and I definitely haven't had it in protective styles. And I think very soon after creating this video, I will be putting my hair in a protective style, and I do advise that during the winter seasons you have your hair protected in a protective style and you keep it that way throughout the winter season. You will thank your hair later for that. Another very big and strange setback that I'm experiencing is that my hairline, for some reason, has been suffering. I'm not sure what I've been doing wrong. I'm not sure if I've been using incorrect products, or maybe I've been tying my hair too tightly. I'm not quite sure what it is. I've been doing a lot of high buns lately, and maybe I've been pulling my hair up too tightly. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but clearly I've been doing something wrong because I am experiencing literal breakage. along my hairline. I don't know if you can see, I didn't do any baby hairs today. I didn't put any gel on, just so that I want you to be able to zoom into my hairline during this video and see what I'm talking about. My hairline feels very thin, you know, and frail. So I'm trying to grow back my hairline currently. It's obviously going to take some time and it's going to take some work. I have now completely removed any other product for my hair that I have currently, and I have been advised to stick to one particular product with the hope that it is going to make a difference to my hairline. So I'm going to be testing out this product. And this is the product that I am talking about. It's a product that I got from my salon. It is called the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. Apparently it has like 25 benefits. What my hairdresser loves the most about this product is that it is a treatment. So every time I use this product, I'm literally treating my hair, which is very good, and it's exactly what my hair really needs right now, because obviously my hair is breaking, I have split ends, and my hairline is struggling. So for those three reasons, I literally need to be treating my hair until my hair can get to a point where it is healthy and back to its normal state. So this is the product that I am currently using. We'll see what happens, but what I like about it is that it really moisturizes my hair very well. It makes it very manageable. I can comb it nicely. Even if I'm starting to develop new hair growth, it softens it very nicely, and then my hair becomes tangle free and very manageable. So I will keep you guys updated on to whether this product actually really works, but I will be spraying this on my hairline on a daily basis and see if it actually helps to grow my hairline back. But if you want to try it, you know, in any event, this is the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. I think it retails mainly at hair salons. I've never really seen it at like Discam or Clicks or anything of that sort. So maybe drop into your salon and check if they have stock of it. But so far I'm having a good experience with it. But overall, let us see if it really does help to grow my hairline back. So all in all, I think I am somewhat aware of some of the things that I have been doing wrong, and I am currently taking restorative measures to repair my hair. I am treating my hair. I will be going in for a treatment probably in a week's time. I'm going into the salon to get my hair treated. I'm definitely going to be putting my hair in a protective style to make sure that it's protected throughout the winter season, and I will be using the Miracle Milk to spray on my hairline and try to grow my hairline back, because it really has been suffering and I've clearly been doing something wrong. So now it's time to fix some of the damage that has occurred with my hair. Otherwise, let us continue to be on a healthy, relaxed hair journey. And I do hope that you've enjoyed this update. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Until the next one, I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.